Namaste, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another brand new video, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's been a really long time, and a big welcome to all my new subscribers. This is what we're going to be speaking about in today's video, where most of you guys have been requesting for. Really sorry for the late video, but here it goes.
This is the X Pro Performance Kit. This is the clutch basket, the primary gear, oil pump wheel. What are the major difference in this two and compared to stock? This gear is completely made. These three, you can see these all not like stock one. It's helical gears. Stock comes like spur gears. It's comes straight, and the gear ratio of this both is completely different. It makes the stress-free engine and the more power and the mileage also, and the low-end torque is more high compared to stock. All the gears are different. And the gear range is very long. It's not compared to like stock. Its gears like 10 to 15 kilometers is very long. I'll show you the one part. This is the stock one. You can see the both gears, how it's there. Okay, this is the spur gear, this is the helical gears, and the gear ratio is completely different. Yeah, what we are seeing in the Xpulse, it's second gear, third gear, the very short ratio and the lot of lag, like declutching. We are in the second gear, third gear. That all reduces in these performance kit. It's completely gear ratio is different, and the very smooth power. And these parts, no worry to fix. It's completely plug and play part.
Alright, so there what you saw was Mr. Jagdish explaining, in depth what exactly those parts are. So I'm here just making a quick walk around of the bike where I can show whatever has been done to the bike as of now. So starting from the front, we have a fender, we have the new Oxlays from Gold Runway, a bigger and wider handlebar, and a tail tidy at the rear, which makes the bike look a little more clean. But yeah, apart from that, all the magic happens inside here, and it's completely stock replacement. You don't have to do any kind of alterations to your engine or the clutch. It just runs really well after the modification. Now, if you also noticed earlier in this video, I showed you guys a couple of shots from Race Dynamics where we had done a couple of dyno runs. Well, they do have the Powertronics for this, but it is priced at a steep 18,500 rupees, which is way too much for about a BHP gain. So it's up to you guys, because this particular modification is completely available for 7,750 rupees including shipping. Now that's a really good deal, provided you're getting every stock replacement, nothing's changing in the bike, so you have the stock feeling, and the reliability is a big thumbs up. So we are also giving 2 years of warranty or 30,000 kilometers for the parts that's replaced. For people in Bangalore, you can check in the description box below. The location is available. And that's said and done. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Watch the space for more Xpulse modifications. Until then, you guys ride hard, ride safe. Peace.